I'm so glad you came to see me, especially since I haven't seen you in a while. So today we're going to talk a little bit about a very special punctuation mark. Do you remember when we took the words, two root words like back and pack, and we pulled them together and made, what did we make?
Compound word.
Right, and what is that word?
Backpack.
Good job. And like popcorn, and we placed them together and we got
Popcorn.
wonderful. Do you also remember, I'm going to set those examples over here. Do you also remember when we took and made abbreviations? We had to turn away some of the letters to make a smaller abbreviation. We turned away some of the letters and replaced them with a punctuation mark. Like, what's that one?
Mr.
And
Junior.
yeah, those turned away those letters and we put a period there. Today we're going to do something similar but totally different. I have two words here. What is our words today?
Was not.
Was not. I'm going to cut one of the words. Now, I'm going to turn away the O. Just like we did with the other letters in the abbreviations. But now I need to add a punctuation. So replacing the O, I'm going to place an apostrophe. An apostrophe, that's apostrophe, comes from the Latin word apostrophing. Do you know what that means? It means to turn away. We turned away the O and we place an apostrophe in its place. Now, just like the contractions, just like the compound words, we pulled the words together. And this is going to become a contraction when we pull the words together. Do you remember our word? Con means with. Track, they're right on the same track. Shun is an action. Contraction is a word we pull together and place together. So we had the word was and not, the two root words, and we replaced it with wasn't, made one word. Now, does that make a difference to the sentence and our meaning? Well, I'm going to tell you a sentence and I'm going to use was not, and we'll see if it changes the meaning. She was not going to the store. She wasn't going to the store. Did it change its meaning when we made it a contraction?
No.
No. Well, let's try some more. I have the word is and not. I'm going to cut the word not. Now I'm going to turn away the O, and we need to replace it with a punctuation. And we place the apostrophe, which means turn away. I'm going to contract, pull them together. Isn't, isn't, is not, the two base words become the contraction isn't. Let's see if the meaning stays the same, okay? It is not cold outside. It's very warm. It isn't cold outside. It's very warm. Did it change the meaning when I used a contraction?
No.
No. So a contraction uses an apostrophe to pull together two root words. Is this a contraction?
Yes.
Is this a contraction?
Yes.
Is this a contraction?
No.
Very good. For follow-up, I want you to go to the basket on the counter. There's a basket with some words that are base words and another word set that are base words. I'd like you to take one from each basket, write them down separately as root words. Then I want you to see if you can use the apostrophes in the third basket and make a contraction. See how many you can make. Thank you for coming to my lesson.